How to do hair spa treatments at home. A home spa treatment is a great way to relax at home after a busy, stressful day. Most people will only focus on their skin or nails, but hair needs love and care too. If your hair is dry, brittle, frizzy, or damaged, it probably needs extra moisture. A hair spa treatment is a great and relaxing way to give your hair the moisture that it needs. At the end of it, you may be surprised with hair that feels much softer than before. Massaging your scalp. Prepare your oil. Warm up 1 to 2 tablespoons 15 to 30 milliliters of coconut oil or olive oil in a little dish. You can do this in the microwave or on the stove, but be careful not to let it get too hot. It should be warm and comfortable to the touch. If you want a fancier spa, try one of the following mixtures instead. 1 teaspoon of each of the following: almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and sesame oil. 3 tablespoons 45 milliliters of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of olive oil, and 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil. 1 teaspoon of each of the following: almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and sesame oil. 0.3 tablespoons 45 milliliters of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of olive oil, and 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Massage the oil into your scalp from roots to tips for 5 minutes. Spread the rest of the oil through your hair, from the roots to the ends. This will help improve the circulation in your scalp. Wrap a damp, warm towel around your head. Dip a clean towel in warm water. Wring out the excess water so that it's damp. Wrap the towel around your head and hair. Secure it with a clip, if needed. Keep the towel wrapped around your head for 5 to 6 minutes. The heat will trap the oil and open up the hair follicles. It will help the oil penetrate your hair and scalp and nourish it. If you have very dry hair, wait 15 to 20 minutes instead. If you have very dry hair, wait 15 to 20 minutes instead. Wash your hair using lukewarm water. Use enough mild shampoo to get the oil out. You can add conditioner if your hair is very dry, but the mask in the next step will be nourishing enough on their own.